Hello everyone, this is Valentine from SheetGo, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use our service sales report templates in Google Sheets. To go to our templates, you simply go to app.sheetgo.com, there we are, /templates. This brings us inside the SheetGo web application where you can find the many templates we have to start creating your own workflow or make one from a blank canvas, as you can see. But today let me show you the service sales report. You can use this template to create a database for your contracts, your leads, and your clients. So you can see here how the network view is made, how it's connected to the template. You have one master sheet, the service sales report dashboard. And you can see that leads, clients, and contract spreadsheets are connected using SheetGo and automatically updated inside your master sheet. You can further see how the system looks like and what you can use it for, some initial instructions as well. But let me click on Use Template to install it inside my drive. There we go. The system is now created inside your Google Drive. SheetGo has done that for you. And you will find your folder inside your drive under SheetGo templates. And here you see how the system looks like. So we have the master sheet, the contracts, the leads, and the client spreadsheets that are automatically connected using SheetGo. Let me open each of these spreadsheets to show you how the system works. So we are here in the master sheet service sales report. Here it starts with some initial instructions as well, and it also tells you how to customize this template according to your business needs. So you start by filling out, of course, the individual spreadsheets of the clients and the leads and the contracts. We're now in the client spreadsheets. You can find some instructions here as well, but it's fairly simple. You either fill out your clients here in this database, or you can connect this spreadsheet using SheetGo with your current database. In your leads spreadsheets, you have the same. In the leads tab, you can easily report the stage of where you're at with your leads. So in which funnel stage, how the contacts were, some additional notes, and so on. Then we arrive at the contract spreadsheets, and same for here, an initial instructions tab and a contracts tab where you can easily fill out the contracts, the value, compensation type, and the PDF link, of course. So if this all is filled out, you simply, and to bring it into the master sheet, you simply go back to your SheetGo web application and click on Run Workflow to update the connections. Once SheetGo has finished this, the information will automatically flow in your master spreadsheet. So you can see here 3 different connections with the leads, clients, and contracts. And then the system created a very nice dashboard for you to have a clear overview of your leads per stage, contracts per state, top 10 clients per value, contracts per month, and your best-selling services. So you can customize this template, put your logo here, and if you have any questions about how it works, even special requests, you can visit our SheetGo community. I will put the link in the description, or comment below with all of your questions. Feel free to ask and we will help you. Thank you very much.